Top tips for making the perfect fish and chips at home. Fish and chips are a classic dish loved by many. Aryn Hala, a renowned chef, shares some expert tips to help you achieve the perfect fish and chips right in your kitchen. The first step to perfect fish and chips is selecting the right fish. Whitefish like cod, haddock, or pollock are great choices. They have a mild flavor and firm texture, making them ideal for frying. Fresh fish makes a big difference in the final dish. Using cold, sparkling water helps. Make the batter light and crispy. Keep the batter cold until you are ready to use it. This will ensure the fish has a great texture. Frying the fish properly is key to perfect fish and chips. Aryn Hala suggests using vegetable or canola oil for a neutral flavor. Keep oil temperature consistent. Maintaining the right oil temperature is crucial for crispy results. Don't overcrowd the pan. Frying too many pieces at once lowers the oil temperature, making the fish and chips greasy. Serve immediately. Fish and chips are best enjoyed hot and fresh. Russet or Maris Piper potatoes are ideal. They are starchy and get crispy when fried. Double frying makes the chips extra crispy. Lemon wedges, tartar sauce, or malt vinegar are great options to serve with fish and chips to add extra flavor. By following these tips from Aryn Hala, you can create a delicious, crispy meal that's sure to impress. Whether you're cooking for family or friends, these homemade fish and chips will be a hit.